Good morning. This is Liz Williams. I am with Williams Accounting, and I am going to be sending you today's video and other videos as we have moving parts or updates that we'd like to share with our clients. So I'm going to share my screen with you so that way you can see it. So here is the Williams Accounting home screen, and we have updated our phone number on the website. Yes, finally. So the other phone call, it does route to our phones, but we have obtained a new work cell phone that will stay inside the office, and whoever's working that day, they will receive the message. We can receive phone calls, texts. You can text pictures, images. We're really flexible, as we've always been. We're trying to move away from texting my personal cell phone, Liz's phone, so that way whoever is working that day can receive the message and work it. And I'm trying to, block out more work time. And then the time that I am home, I'm with my family. So thank you for that. So that new work phone is 208 964 9449. That's 208 964 9449. So please make sure to save that as work phone number and start using that one if you can, and we really appreciate it. And then also, if no one's in the office, we can route the phone calls if somebody's working remote or working from home. We have more flexibility with that. Also, we have an address, which all of you know. So some of you have sent us mail for our Washington residents. We have a Washington address. And then for our Idaho residents or someone mailing us a package, we are fine for you to mail to this address. When we have new clients coming on, they say, wait a minute, I Googled that address and it's a mailbox. And yes, you are right. It is a mailbox. We don't publish our physical location on our website. We don't see it necessary. Nobody really wants to come see us. They just want the work done. And if somebody would like to come for an office appointment, we do have an office in town in Post Falls, and we're more than happy to accommodate a pre-scheduled appointment. So we block out our work. We're, really trying to get everything done for everyone. So we appreciate when you want to make an appointment that you schedule one, and then we would provide you our office address at that point. We have a beautiful waiting room that one of our clients has designed for us. She painted some paintings. She's an artist. And it's just beautiful. And we have a coffee bar. We have water, toaster, food. So yes, it's a real place. And when you need to come here, we will take care of you. Also, what I like about this mailbox is we use a virtual mailbox so that when we receive mail, we can receive a digital image on the work cell phone. And that way the staff working the day or myself, we can image the incoming mail, and we can receive it in PDF format, and then we can route it from there. So there's that. And then here's about us. You all know I love Venice, of course, so it's going to be there. And down here, if you are having trouble with how do I email her, how do I text her, you can drop us a line. You can send us a website email, or you can contact us for an appointment for Zoom. So I'm going to jump to the contact us. So if you scroll down on the contact us, here is a virtual appointment link where I block out time, where I can make time in 15-minute increments to speak to clients. And so it is a Calendly link. And if you click it, this will show my back office link, maybe not. No. Okay. So this would be if you're a customer, you can schedule a 15-minute meeting. Here is my direct cell phone, which assistant wants to change it to the office phone. But sometimes I'm working from home. So I want to make sure you can reach me. So if you have an appointment, you can click that, and then it would route you towards entering in your information, and then you pick a day and time that works for you. And then you would select that, and then you would put in your email. Let's think of an email that will not be conflicting. We'll try it. It probably won't work, but we'll try it. All right, so we'll schedule it. Can I make an appointment with myself? We will find out. Yes, I can. Okay, so there's all that. You can add it to your own calendars here. It's super fancy. But either way, I have scheduled an appointment with myself for 9:30 tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow, which I will cancel that and block it out. So I just wanted to show you how to make an appointment. And then it goes to my email, and I just received a notification that the staff made an appointment. So I love that. So this appointment link is functional. It's been working for years, and I just love it. Again, here is our work cell. If you need to mail us anything, here is our mailing address. I am working this week and next week on a client portal, so we're going to be going over that. So the client portal is here on the upper right. And so what you would do is you would click the client portal link on the upper right of our website. If you would like to send us a file, it would give you this screen right here, right? Well, so this is if you're already logged in, but if you're not, you would have permission. I would enter in your work email. And so, like, for example, Williams Accounting, we do our own books, right? So we have someone that works on the books, and I help. And so I have set up my email and then my staff's email to have permission with a password to go into my portal to upload documents just for the Williams Accounting books, right? So you will be receiving an email like this to link you to the portal. And it's important that you give me documents through the portal or when asked on an email, because this client portal is very useful because it will upload to QuickBooks Online for us, and that will help us be more efficient for you. Okay, and so next, you would type in your email. It'll say, yep, we sent you an email. You go to the email, you set up your password, and then the next step is you're magically in the client portal, right? And then you can select a file to upload. You can drag and drop. And that's all I have for today. So just wanted to share that with you, and I hope you all have a nice day. Until the next time, bye.